Welcome everybody to a very special episode of Gabrielle Vika's Happy Hour Kits. It is the St. Patrick's Day episode, and today we are making floats. I call it the Build-A-Float kit. Let's get started, shall we? So in your kit you have some ice cream, you have some chocolate chips, and then you have 3 different syrups. You have a apple, maple, and chili syrup. Have a rose and blueberry syrup. And a chocolate espresso syrup. So all other kits up till now have been their own separate cocktails. This kit, however, is a little bit different because you can build your float however you want. With your 3 syrups, with your chocolate chips. You also have vegan cookies, which if you want you can also crumble up. It's a snack, but you know, this whole thing is a snack, so have fun. And your star of the show, the ice cream. Today I am using the coconut vanilla ice cream. It is the vegan option. It crystallizes a little bit more, so you do have to let it out to soften for about 15 or so minutes before using it, but it still has a very creamy mouthfeel. The first step is rim the glass. You have your chocolate chips to rim, and take your glass. I'm going to take a wine glass. You can take anything. I just thought, you know, make it look pretty. We're all adults. And you can actually dip your rim into one of the syrups. So I'm going to choose the apple syrup. And it's big enough that I can just do this. So it's nice and wet. And then just roll it around. And chop the chips. Now we rim the glass a little bit. Looks a little messy, but it will be extra delicious. Next, take a scoop of your ice cream. Just put it at the bottom. And here you can add syrups if you want. Chocolate syrup, the chocolate espresso syrup. And just go around the side. And make a mess. It's part of the fun. You can use your choice of pop, always classic root beer, or you can use a choice of beer. Classic stout is definitely, I would say, the best type of beer to use for this. There is also root beer beers. That would be really interesting if you wanted to get yourself one of the root beer beers out there. But for this, I'm actually going to use good old root beer. Tilt it a bit and just pour slowly. It's going to create bubbles. You just don't want them to create the bubbles too fast. And it's going to slowly rise. And look at that. And I'm just going to top it with some more chocolate chips. And I'm going to enjoy this. Oh my god, I feel like a kid again. Like pulling all-nighters with your friend, making root beer floats. This is delicious. So you can keep it kid-like, or you can try a more adult version. Completely up to you. And enjoy, guys. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my website. Follow me on Facebook. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, let me know what you think. Cheers!